Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest products.
Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a product that's making waves in the market.
Introducing the Scott's Turf Builder Grass Seed Bermudagrass,
the ultimate solution for achieving a thick, green lawn that can withstand the toughest conditions. This isn't just any grass seed. It's the best grass seed with fertilizer combination you can find.
Now, let's talk about what sets this product apart from the rest.
First off, this grass seed is designed for full sun exposure, making it perfect for those high-traffic areas in your yard that get plenty of sunlight throughout the day. But what really makes this product stand out is its exclusive 4-in-1 WaterSmart Plus coating. This innovative coating not only absorbs more water than uncoated seeds but also feeds the seedlings with essential nutrients and protects them from disease. And here's the best part. This grass seed aggressively spreads to fill in bare spots and crowd out weeds, giving you a lawn that's not just green, but also weed-free. But don't just take my word for it.
Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say. Customers love how quickly this seed germinates and fills in bare patches.
Even in challenging conditions like heavy clay soil and scorching heat. And if you're worried about the effort it takes to maintain a thick, green lawn, fear not. This grass seed is incredibly easy to use and requires minimal maintenance.
Simply spread the seed evenly over your lawn, water it regularly, and watch as your lawn transforms into a lush, green oasis.
So there you have it, folks. The Scott's Turf Builder Grass Seed Bermudagrass is the ultimate solution for achieving the lawn of your dreams. Say goodbye to patchy, weed-ridden lawns, and hello to a thick, green carpet that will be the envy of your neighborhood. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy gardening!